začátek. On měl předjednou. Ale že jsou ty drivers tak stupid, že to nebylo.
A lot of potholes, manholes. I don't know why they don't put the manholes on the side of the shoulder instead of in the where the roadway is. Doesn't make sense because if you look at the rainwater, goes on the side, on the shoulder of the road. So I don't know why they put the manhole covers in the center of the road. Very poor engineering. Wow.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Somebody didn't clean out the gutters.
Yep. Wrong way, buddy.
51 cents off today, special
Wrong way, buddy.
at BJ's.
Where's the place to go?
Have to wait behind this van.
Oh, that's a lady.